Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Myntri ka kot ka khya ka kong amperin lingdo kan salet sa Uttar Pradesh ban pet nuksa ya ka rukam penyat bat trekam ki Jaka Pule doktor ki bakershan da ka sarkar hak te ke jala. Ka kong amperin kale thu basyan kan salet sa Uttar Pradesh Namar ki don hendrutali ki Jaka Pule doktor ki balakershan lang da ka sarkar pedeng ya ka sarkar jala ha Uttar Pradesh. Kumta ka loong bakan sakmi banya ya ka rukam trekam bat an sawan ra ya ka jinglap jingsham kenang ba en la ban penrung lang ya ka nuksa na ki Jaka Pule doktor ha Uttar Pradesh ban pen trekam hakani ke jala. Ka Myntri ka yathu baga jingte jingshna ya ka tura medical college kadang yat bala antat bala kumno haus nam arhajar arphun rew ne arhajar arphun nyew kadai ban sedang no. Kalau ong baka Shillong Medical College kan sedang na ka Jaka kabala dan lupa bat dang don kam syuk ban penbit penbiang ya ki jing don kam nadu ki jingte kum ka Jaka sa bat Jaka Pule Namar ki hospital ki ladan lupa ban sedang ya ki jing hikai. Kita ka Ganesh Das Government Hospital bat Shillong Medical College.
Meeting with regards to the institutioning of the medical colleges in the state of Meghalaya. We have taken a review of the Tura Medical College. We have a certain proposal at hand. We are, of course, going ahead with the constructions. Some of the infrastructure are at very good progress, and recently there were certain hurdles with regards to the fast tracking of the infrastructure building. Those have also been sorted out. Honorable Chief Minister at his level took a meeting with line departments like the PHE, the Power Department and the PWD. So all of those difficulties have also been attended to. Now I will be taking a trip to Uttar Pradesh, where there has been a model of the government of India where they have assisted the state of Uttar Pradesh in the institutioning of medical colleges. So I will first go, then I will come back and I will share my experiences once I've seen the models where government of India has actually initiated the building of 6 medical colleges around Uttar Pradesh. So let me go there, let me see what that model is all about. Then as far as the Shillong Medical College, we are ahead and progressing rapidly. Tura Medical College, we expect it to be likely operational sometime 26-27. Not able to really give a definitive time frame because it is going to be difficult. We are still working on a lot of the infrastructure institutioning because it is very necessary. Then the Shillong Medical College should be, if everything goes well, so many technicalities have to still be fast tracked. We have to look at the building of our own faculty. We have to look at important issues such as the service rules, the amendment of service rules of doctors, so that we ensure that eligible doctors are on board and service rules permit us to allow doctors to function as teaching doctors. So Government of India has a model for the teaching and the non-teaching doctors. There is a model for retirement. You see, so with the passage of time, we are seeing that medical sciences is putting a big strain on every government across the globe, because diagnosis has become far more advanced and identification of ailments of patients is now something which is becoming more accessible. So we as a department will ensure that we also update our ability to meet this demand for dialysis. Right now, we are also trying to take the option of having home dialysis. But then again, the home dialysis treatment again is not part of the MHIS treatment, not covered under the cashless MHIS plan. So, with the passage and progress of time, we are realizing that we need to update and upgrade our ability to provide medical treatment for the residents of the state. So, now the next thing that I'm going to do is going to talk about home dialysis, trying to see whether or not home dialysis for chronic patients requiring dialysis will be a reality for our citizens. Home dialysis is a little on the steeper part of expenditure. It will cost anything between 20 to 30,000. If we are able to provide those medical solutions used in home dialysis treatment under the MHIS package, at least for the literate patients, this will be something which is going to be a reality. You're going to take off that load of wards in the dialysis center like civil hospital. See, if you're going to be putting the horse before the cart, then you're going to be thinking like that. But we are a government which has said, amidst all challenges, we will rise and we will see. And right now, the medical fraternity is with us on this. What is the other guarantee that you require? The guarantee you require right now is, are a medical fraternity on board on this project? My reply is yes.
What about teaching faculty?
They are the teaching faculty. We, of course, have to have the professors. The professors, I have said, we are on job to amend the service rules of the medical department. If you don't do that, then nothing else happens. So we are yet to finalize the cabinet memorandums. We are yet to take on board our cabinet colleagues. We are yet going to sit and talk about the necessary amendments that will be required on service rules if you want that these medical colleges should immediately start. Right now, we have the low rank professors, we have faculty already on service who are now eligible. A doctor working not less than few years. I'm forgetting these details. That's why I'm saying everything is at a planning stage. And we already have the faculty of professorship. Now, of course, we need to ensure that the faculty, anyways, NMC will not give you the permission, will not give you the NOC if you don't already match. Well, on plan, we are on road. Looks like we may be able to do it. In fact, we've had several consultations with doctors already in the system, and we will have to also open out expression of interest to doctors, especially we are told from the military background, because there are enough such doctors who have just recently retired who are eligible for teaching. So this is something that is looking positive, and we hope that without talking too much, we act more. And Honorable Chief Minister is going to be discussing all these matters with the Government of India. We will await for the new government formation, and as soon as that stabilizes, then we should be able to give you better information. But just to keep you abreast at our progress on our plans for our own medical colleges, we want to assure the state of Meghalaya that we are sincerely on the job, and looks like we may be able to get a medical college if everything goes as planned by next year, 2025 session. In Shillong Medical College, we refer to this as a brownfield project, where you're already utilizing facilities available in the area of the proposed Shillong Medical College. So you have the Ganesh Das Hospital, you have the labs, the pasture labs. So you also have a hospital not far away, which is the civil hospital. There are big plans for the expansion of the civil hospital Shillong as well. The other day, I went to visit civil hospital on receipt of information that the dialysis machines were not functional, and we realized that there is critical paucity of space. We do not have enough space, so we're happy to know. Hopefully, we will be able to expand all of these infrastructures, and we are looking at the possibility of improving facilities around. We're waiting. We've kept proposals before the Honorable Chief Minister to lend us more space. We hope that this will be something that can be done. And by the looks of it, we will not have a problem with infrastructure building here. When the government started few academic institutions, there was great debate about the quality of education to be given. But you have seen, I think you have seen that all of these institutions which have come to the state of Meghalaya and are currently now already functioning, most of them are very popular. You look at your latest, the Law University, that's also a very popular university. You are seeing takers in this university. You look at all of the other institutes like the Engineering College, even that is doing very well. You look at your hotel management institutions, they are also doing very well. So what makes you think that quality will be a deficit?
It is more specialized than.
Give the government of Meghalaya an opportunity to prove to the people that we can meet those standards. Right now, our standards in the state, no matter what educational institution you're talking about, are above average, and do not condemn what the state has. The current scenario, we have been fortunate to have Government of India stepping in and assisting states in a big way. So you must have seen the infrastructure building for the Tura Medical College is also one such intervention, where Government of India handholds the states to become self-sufficient and have facilities for their own citizens. So we're very fortunate that this is happening in the country today. And the state central shares is something which is always negotiable. It is always discussable. We can discuss these matters, and it looks like we have a very good opportunity to actually ensure that funds given by the Government of India should make us able to have our own medical college. This is a dream come true for the people of the state, and we will leave no stone unturned. Medical college, because it's a greenfield project, will take a little bit more time because of the infrastructure building. We will be challenged mostly in the Tura Medical College with concerns of operationalization of the medical college, because it is a little distant. It is difficult to reach. We still have some obstacles with as far as connectivity and other things. Government of Meghalaya is on the job. We're trying to sort out and make sure that accessibility to Tura will be better in the years to come. But as of now, we are looking at a model of working with Vellore CMC. Let us see how it goes. So there are these different models. But as far as infrastructure achievement, we have good physical progress of all buildings as per the investments made in the project since the previous years. I am confident that we will work on this. In fact, we've already gone way ahead in a lot of the checklist that needs to get done. We've already instituted a society for the Shillong Medical College. We already have the infrastructure. We have buildings. Fortunately, post-COVID, we also have prefab infrastructure which can be sufficient for us to utilize so that the NMC, when it comes, is fully satisfied and gives us the permission to start our own medical college. So that is a big thing, and we though this press conference is premature in nature, we still have information which is in a preparatory stage. Going to be looking at this detail as well. If everything goes right, Shillong Medical College should be functional by September of 2026. And now the NMC still has to come. We are still preparing for the inspections that the NMC will be, will be willing to come and conduct the details of the proposed medical college in Shillong. Affiliation issues are now also likely to be handled because we have the Williamson Sangma University of the state now. We have actually engaged with the NEHU, but it's taking a very long time. So we are going to look at an option of affiliation with the state-owned university.